Today, let us start with part 11 and continue with the exercise 12.4. So here we'll see question number 15. A boat takes three integers 1 by 3 hours to travel 30 kilometers upstream and takes 2 hours to return the same distance downstream. You have to find the speed of the boat in still water and the speed of the stream. So now let us see, this is given in the mixed fraction, that is three integers 1 by 3. So this is going to be 9 plus 1, that is going to be 10 by 3 hours. So this is the normal calculation we'll do. So now you know the formula for the speed is distance by time. So upstream speed is given as, that is given to travel 30 kilometer, means that is given the distance, and takes, that is 3 integers 1 by 3. So 3 integers 1 by 3 we have calculated here, that is 10 by 3. So that is the hours, that is the time. So now this is the numerator, this is the denominator. Numerator as it is, the denominator gets flip over. So that is going to be 3 by 10. So after simplifying this, we get that is 9 kilometer per hour. So the upstream speed is 9 kilometers per hour. So now you will see the downstream speed, again the distance by time. So it takes, they said, 2 hours to return the same distance. So the distance is the same, that is 30 kilometer. And it takes 2 hours, so the time is 2 hours. So this is going to be 15 kilometer per hour. So now we know this one. So whenever this is upstream, means u minus v. So this is given, the upstream is the speed is given as 9 kilometer. So u minus v is 9. So this will be equation number 1. And for the downstream, that is going to be positive u plus v, and we got this one as, for the downstream, as 15 kilometer. So this is going to be 15. So this will be our equation number 2. So solving equation 1 and 2. So this will get cancelled out, minus v plus v gets cancelled out. This is going to be 2u is going to be 24. So u is going to be 24 by 2, which is going to be 12 kilometer per hour. So substituting u is equal to 12 in equation 1. So equation 1 is u minus v is 9. So in place of u, you will put 12. So after solving this, we get the value of v as 3 kilometer per hour. So we can say speed of boat in still water, that is 12 kilometer per hour, and speed of stream is, that is 3 kilometer per hour. So the next one, A has X coins of 5 rupees and Y coins of 2 rupees, while B has Y coins of 5 rupees and X coins of 2 rupees. If A has a sum of rupees 97 and B has rupees 106, find the values of X and Y. So A has X coins of 5 rupees, means 5x, and means addition, and Y has Y coins of this one. A has X coins of 5 rupees and Y coins of 2 rupees. So Y into 2, so that is going to be 2y. So that is given if A has a sum of 97, so that is 97. So this is equation number 1. And B has Y coins of 5 rupees. So see here, Y coins of 5 rupees means below this Y, we are going to write this Y. And X coins of 2 rupees. So below this X, we are going to write here, the 2 into X, that is going to be 2x. And B has rupees, that is 106. So this is the equation number 2. So now to solve this equation, we can see the coefficients are different. So what will we do? This 5 and 2 will make it equal. So this will be multiplied by 2. This will be multiplied by 5. Since this is multiplied by 2, this whole equation should be multiplied by 2. This is multiplied by 5. So this whole equation should be multiplied by 5. So this is going to be 10x plus 4y is going to be, that will be 194. And this is going to be 10x plus 25y, that will be 530. So these are the two equations. So now we can see this is plus, so this is going to be minus. So now this plus, and we'll look at the new sign. So this gets cancelled out. Plus, minus, plus, so this will be minus. Look at this sign. So minus 25 plus 4, that will be minus 21y. And now here, minus 530 plus 194, which is going to be minus 336. So both the plus, there is minus, so that will get cancelled out. So this will be 21y will be 336. So y will be 336 divided by, this is multiplication, it will get divided. So y is going to be 16. So substituting y is equal to 16 in the equation 1. So this is the equation 1. So this same equation is written here. In place of this y, we are going to put 16. So this is going to be 32. So after solving this one, we get the value of x as 13. So we have to find the values of x and y. So x is 13 and y is 16. So now let us see the next question. A two-digit number is such that the units digit is 4 times the tens digit, and if 54 is added to the number, the digits are reversed and you have to find the number. So let the tens digit be x. So unit digit is going to be, that will be 4x, because it is said that unit digit is 4 times the tens digit. So this is going to be 4 into x, that is going to be 4x. So the number is going to be, so this is the tens one, so this is going to be multiplied by 10, because it is a tens digit, so this is going to be 10x, and units means that is going to be ones digit, so this is going to be get multiplied by 1, so this is going to be 4x. This will be 4x and this will be 10x. So what will be the number? 10x plus 4x will be 14x. And if we are reversing it, so reversing means, now if this is the tens digit, if we make this to ones and if we make it to this tens, the unit becomes this one. If we reverse it, so what will be the new equation? So this is going to be 10 into 4x into this plus x, because x into 1. So this is going to be the, because the tens digit is going to be, this will be the units one and this is going to be the tens one. So units will be here and the tens is going to be here. So this is going to be 10 into 4x and this is just going to be x. So this will be 40x plus x will be 41x. So now here, if they said if 54 is added to the number, so which is the number? So here this is the number. So 14x plus 54, the digits are reversed. So after reversing the digits, we get this is 41x. So this is the important equation. So here again I'll repeat. If 54 is added to the number, so this is the number 14x, and if we are adding 54 to it, our digits are reversed. So after reversing the digit, we get that is 41x. So after getting this equation, other things are easier. So this is going to be 14x. This will be here minus 41x, and this will go on the other side. That is going to be minus 54. So this, after solving this, we get minus 27x will be minus 54. Both the places that is negative sign, so that goes off. So 27x will be 54. The value of x is going to be 2. So they have asked for the number. So the number is, what is the number? That is 14x. So in place of x, we are going to put this 2. So the number is 28. Now let us see the next question. The sum of the digits of a two-digit number is 9. And if the digits are interchanged, the number exceeds the original number by 27 and you have to find the number. So we will consider the tens place digit as x, units place digit as y. So the sum of the digit is going to be this x plus y, that is given as 9. So the first sentence. And if, so the original number is going to be, this is 10 into x. So this is the 10x. And here units place means, this is units place means 1 into y, that is going to be y. So this is the unit place and this is the tens place. So this is 10x and this is going to be y. So this is the original number. And if we reverse the number, so reversing means this is going to be the units place and this is going to be the tens place. So units place is going to be x and the tens place is going to be y. So this will be x into 1. So this units means 1. So this will be x and this will be 10 into y, so that will be 10y. So how is the number going to be? First the units place, so this is the units place, units, and this is the tens one. So here this is just x and this is going to be 10y. So the reverse number is 10y plus x. So if we write this true, then other things are very easy to form the equation. So now they said if the digits are interchanged, a number, so if the digits are interchanged means this is the reverse number. So this is here. The number obtained exceeds the original number by 27. Number, which is the number, that is 10x plus y. Exceeds means you are going to add 27 to it. So this is the important equation. So this is going to be 10y. This will go on the other side. That is going to be minus y. This is plus x. and this is going to be minus 10x will be 27. So 9y minus 9x will be 27. From this one, 9 is going to be common. So remains in the bracket is y minus x. So when you expand this, becomes 9y minus 9x. That is 27. So y minus x will be 27 divided by this 9. So now we can arrange this one because this is y and this is x. So we'll bring this x at the start. So this along with the sign. So minus x plus y, that is going to be 3. So this will be the equation number 1. So this is the equation number 2. So we will solve these two equations. This is 1 and this is 2. So this plus x minus x gets cancelled. This is going to be 2y is 12. So y will be 12 by 2, which is y is 6. So substituting y is equal to 6 in equation number 1. So this is the equation number 1. So in place of y, we are going to put 6. So x is going to be 9 minus 6, which is going to be 3. So the number is, number means the original number, 10x plus y. So this 10x plus y. So in place of this x, we are going to put this 3. So plus y is 6. So this will be 30 plus 6. So that will be 36. So the number is 36. So the next one is the unit digit of a two-digit number is 1 more than double the tens digit. And if the digits are interchanged, the number obtained is 36 more than the original number. And then you have to find the number. So again, here the tens place digit b, we can consider this as x, and the units place digit is, they said, is 1 more means plus 1, then double the tens digit. So what is the tens digit? Tens digit is x, so double of it is going to be 2x. So that is 2x, and 1 more means plus 1. So just write this one carefully. So double of it is going to be 2x, and 1 more means plus 1. So the original number, this is going to be 10x, and the unit place is going to be, unit place means 1. This is going to be the same, into 1 is going to be the same. So unit place and the tens place. So this is the tens place and this is the units place. So it is going to be, the original number is going to be 10x plus 2x plus 1. So 10x plus 2x means that is going to be 12x plus 1. So this is the original number. And if it is interchanging, so interchanging means this is going to be the units place and this is going to be the tens place. So unit place will be x and the tens place will be this, you are going to multiply by 10. So after this multiplying by 10, so we can put a 10 over here. So that is going to be 20x plus 10. So this is going to be 20x plus this will be 10. So, or we can put here itself like this, and we can separately, we can do it 10 into 2x plus 1. So this is the tens place for the interchanging one. And this is x into 1 is going to be x. So this is the unit place. And later on, we can simplify here. That will be 20x plus 10. And this plus x. So this will be 21x plus 10. So the interchange number is 21x plus 10. So now these two things, once we get this equation, we can make easily. If digits are interchange, means this was here, we get the number obtained is 36 more than the original number. What is the original number? 12x plus 1. So this is 12x plus 1. 36 more means plus 36. So now it is easy to write this equation. So now let us solve this one. 21x, this will go plus 10. We can also write this one 12x, this will be plus 37. And this will be 21x minus 12x will be 37 minus 10. So 9x is going to be 27. So x is going to be 27 by 9, which will be x is 3. And we have to find the number. So what, whenever they say find the number means we have to go to the original number, that is 12x plus 1. So original number, that is 12x plus 1. In place of x, we are going to put this 3, which will be 36 plus 1, which is going to be 37. So here two boys, Arun and Varun, together had rupees 76. If Arun gave rupees 7 to Varun, then both have equal amounts of money. How much did each have in the beginning? So let Arun be A and Varun be V. So here they said two boys, Arun and together had rupees 76. So together means we are going to add it, A plus V is 76. This will be equation number 1. If Arun gives 7 to Varun, so what will happen if Arun is giving 7 to Varun means from A, this Arun means 7 rupees will be less, so A minus 7. So this is going to be Varun's, this is going to be whatever the amount is having, it will become V plus 7 because Arun is giving 7 rupees to Varun. So this is the important equation. So after arranging this, we get a minus v will be 7, and this will go on the other side, that is going to be plus 7. So a minus v is going to be 14. So this is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. Solving equation 1 and 2, this is 1, this is 2. So this gets cancelled out. So 2a is going to be 90. So a is going to be 90 by 2, which is going to be 45. Substituting a is equal to 45 in equation number 1. So this is the equation number 1. So in place of a, we'll put 45. So v is going to be 76 minus this 45. So v is going to be 31. So Arun had, this is Arun had rupees 45 and Varun had rupees 31. So by this one we have completed today's work. Do like and subscribe to my channel so you get the notification of other parts. Also, don't forget to click on the hype button which is beside the comment section. Thank you.